Let's talk about Ikigai. I'm sure you must have heard this term a lot in recent past. Maybe you have read the book, maybe you haven't read the book. This is the term straight from Japan, a concept which is a secret to find happiness in your life. Let's go for it. Welcome back to the Gaurav Show, and today we are diving into something much cooler than any other concept you must have heard of till now. This is one single concept that has helped me a lot in my life, like my personal coach on a single picture. Now that picture you can see left or right somewhere around me is called the concept of Ikigai in a Venn diagram. You don't need to know what is Venn diagram, just look at the picture. And even if the picture doesn't make sense for you, let me break it down. It's a fascinating concept from Japan that's all about finding your happy place in what you do. Let me break down this life-changing idea now, piece by piece, for you. First thing, what you love. Now, this is not about your love for binge watching your shows on Netflix while eating a tub of ice cream. No. It's not that. It's about finding what you can do day in, day out and lose the sense of time, lose the sense of hunger, lose the sense of space. The one thing you can do like obsessively without even noticing that your phone is out of battery. What is that thing? That is what you love. So that's one part of the diagram. Now the next thing is what you are good at. You may not love that thing, but you are good at it. Think of it as a secret superhero talent you have. Something you do so well that even the experts sometimes feel like how they would compete with you. How did you get to know those nuances of the thing? Now, again, you may not love that, but you are good at it. How? Maybe by chance or by training. So first thing was what you love. Second was what you're good at. And now we'll talk about what world need. This is where you get to wear your cape and be a superhero. This is where you may not be good at, you may not love it, but these are the areas which the world need. And if by chance you are good or you love doing it, there are chances for you to be the hero. So this is what world need. Solving the global warming. World need it. You may not love it, you may not be good at it, but the world need it. But somehow this is the area which can completely change the game for you, and we'll look at it in a bit later. And then what you can be paid for. Oh, you love something? Oh, you're good at it? Oh, the world need it? But if you can't be paid for it, most probably you won't bother to do it. So let's face it, we all have dreams of vacation where the beach sand is amazingly white, sugar fine, the Wi-Fi never drops. It's very important that you get paid, that you find a job that keeps the light on and keep funding your adventures. So the magic of Ikigai is when all these things collide, then you have those sports of something special happening in your life. Let me now break it down. First one, passion. Passion is when you love something and you are good at it. That's the zone of passion. You love something and you are actually good at it as well. It's now your passion. Like my daughter, she loves music and she's very, very, very good at it. That's her passion. If you know me personally, you know that what I'm talking about. But unlike my attempt of singing, like I love it, but I'm not so good at it. So I can't say it's my passion. I can think, but really is not, at least according to the concept of Ikigai. The next one is mission. This is what you love and what the world need. You may not be good at it, but you can take it like a mission. It's nothing about whether you are good at it or not. You love that thing and the world need it. Like you love doing some gardening work and the world need that the global warming should be solved. So you were just going around and planting tree. You may not have enough knowledge, understanding of planting the trees or gardening, but you still want to do it. You're taking it like a mission. So there's a thin line. Please make sure you understand that. Now let's talk about vocation. It's like a dream job. You can be paid for it and the world need it. Imagine the whole world want cookies and they want it every single day, every single meal. And here you are, the amazing entrepreneur making thousands of kind of cookies. You may not love it, you may not be very good at it, but because the whole world want it and they want it day in, day out, and somehow you are making it, you will get paid for it. So that's your vocation. You may struggle to make those cookies, that's possible, and that's why it's your vocation, not profession. Now talking about profession, let's come on to the profession part. That's where your skill meet your paycheck. This is where you have a chance to be millionaire. You may not be happy, but you will get the chance to be a millionaire. I mean, I'm saying it's just a chance. The higher chance is that this is the area which will keep your bills get paid, keep your Netflix subscription get paid month after month, allow you to make some holidays every year where you can book a nice holiday on a beach, put it on your Facebook, show to your friends that you are living a millionaire lifestyle. You may be struggling for that. So the chances vary from millionaire to just paying the bill. But at least this is the thing where you are really good at and you are getting paid for the work as well. And now let's talk about the most important thing. Right in the middle of this diagram is where everything meets. Everything come together. I don't know the number, but I keep on telling my daughter, maybe less than 1% people in the world are in this zone. And not just because it's not possible, but it's because of their ignorance. They're not aware of this and they have never tried to find out this gold spot. This is your Ikigai. This is the moment where you realize that you have cracked it. And this is where you will be most happy. This is the sweet spot. This is like being the king or queen of your own life, ruling over the kingdom of joy. And trust me, the view from this castle, absolutely stunning. Nothing can beat that. Don't get me wrong, there might be other people in the world who will make more money than you if you are at the spot. That doesn't cut for it. Being in this zone of Ikigai is like extremely different zone. And that's why I always taught my daughter that don't chase money, don't chase success. Be in this zone of Ikigai. That means you're doing what you love, you're doing what you are good at, you're doing what world need, and you're doing what you can be paid for. These four things combined together, my friend, put you in the zone of Ikigai, and everything changed after that. Secret sauce for happiness. Ikigai. Find out your Ikigai. Let me know in the comment if it makes sense for you or it's too complicated. I would love to know what is your Ikigai. Please don't forget to like, subscribe or ring the bell so that this channel, you and me, we all can be in our Ikigai. I love making these videos. I'm not sure whether I'm good at it or not. You decide. If you feel yes, click the like, subscribe, bell button. If you think I'm not good, put into the comment at least that I'm not good. Give me some suggestions and feedback to improve so that I can also go towards my Ikigai. There's no matter of paid for or not, but one thing I know, the world need content like this. People are making content on abusing and vulgar content and useless content. There are millions and millions of likes on it. I thought my contribution to the world is whatever I've learned till now in my life, whatever I applied, I'll make content on it. Alright, I'll see you in the next video where I might just discover the secret of eternal youth. I'm joking. I don't know how that is possible, but I actually do read about longevity. I try that. It's a big struggle, and the struggle is not in the knowledge, it's in the habit. So maybe the next video can be about habit. Breaking habits, making habits, I don't know. You decide what do you want me to talk more about. I have access to books, knowledge, resources. We all have. YouTube is the biggest library, but maybe you want something specific to know which you're struggling with. Let me know in the comment. More than happy to find out. Alright, so my Ikigai right now is this, making this video. My daughter's Ikigai is making music. What is your Ikigai? I would like to know that. Till then, camera close, but the heart opens. See you.